Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about integration. So this one I will put in here and we got negative 2s on the power. The next one that is about sin x squared. So we have the formula in here. So I will put this one go in here. And number 2 go outside. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin 2x minus 2x. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2 cosine 2x. This one that is about number 1. So, because we just have number 1 minus cosine 2x, this one that is about 2 cosine 2x minus number 2. So, we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change for u. This one we change for du over negative number 2. This is about negative 1 over number 4. The integration of this one that is about e to the power of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.